When Arizona passed its controversial immigration law in 2010, some wasted no time attacking the state's stringent immigration stance.
And despite the backlash from federal lawmakers, several states passed similar bills, but Alabama's immigration law is being touted as tougher than Arizona's.
And today, one of Arizona's congressional leaders from Washington traveled to Birmingham, Alabama, to protest their state law.
Our Washington Bureau reporter Nathan O'Neill also made the trip and joins us live in Birmingham via satellite. Nathan?
Congressman Grijalva was joined by 9 other Democratic House members on this trip to Alabama. They began meeting this morning with people affected by the tough new law, and tonight they'll end the day with a rally.
Coming from Arizona, the experiences that we've had with 1070 lead me to try to explain to people that there's consequences as you go along with this.
Arizona Representative Raul Grijalva traveled to Birmingham, Alabama with other House Democrats today to hold a hearing about the negative impacts of Alabama's immigration law.
What's happening in Alabama is not just about Alabama, as it wasn't just about Arizona. This is a national issue.
Grijalva met with people who have been directly affected by Alabama's HB 56, a controversial immigration law that has been called even tougher than Arizona's SB 1070. The law requires local police to question legal status in routine stops, as well as public school officials to report students' immigration status. But that's been put on hold by the courts. But the people of Alabama have a mixed reaction to the law.
It does need to be addressed, but not in the haphazard way it's being addressed here.
I'm comfortable with the new law. If you're not here legally, you need to either obtain a legal status or you need to be gone.
Antonio Miranda, who is an illegal immigrant, says the law has affected his children, who were born in the U.S. and are citizens.
They are scared. Some people from there, they say, hey, you are illegal, you need to go to Mexico, is no place for you.
The 16th Street Baptist Church was bombed in 1963, marking a pivotal moment in the civil rights movement. And today, critics of the Alabama immigration law say it's a perfect place to start their movement.
There's a struggle that is historic, that changed the very character of this country.
As for Grijalva, he says that a simple solution to all this is for the federal government to come up with comprehensive immigration reform. Tonight, he's meeting with several people and civil rights leaders at the historic church. We'll be there and have more on that for you tomorrow. Live in Birmingham, Alabama, Nathan O'Neill, Cronkite News.
The protest in Alabama comes on the heels of a larger debate going on in Washington about comprehensive immigration reform. The Obama administration has been unable to move forward on this issue because of partisan gridlock in both chambers of Congress. Immigration reform is not expected to be discussed until after the 2012 election.